Stop emailing your entire list. We know you have worked hard for all your subscribers, but at some point, you have to let them go. If you're emailing your whole list all the time without dropping any of them off, you're probably getting really low open rates. This is the thing that tanks the deliverability of most email programs. The most effective mailers use what's called engagement-based segmentation to filter out their lists. This is where you email your most active subscribers more frequently and your inactive subscribers less or not at all. Usually the result is you emailing about 50 to 20% of your list on a regular basis. And your open rates for this segment, and for most of your mailings, will be way higher, 15 to 35% depending on how you slice and dice it. But what do you do with the other 80+% of your subscribers? If you do your normal batch and blast email campaign to this segment and hit everyone at the same time, you're probably only going to get a 1 to 3% open rate. This will destroy your email deliverability and not get you the results you need. A new product, powered by Inbox Mailers called Reengaged, was built for this exact problem. They let list owners know when their dead subscribers are in their inbox reading emails. Clients simply upload their dead or unengaged email list to the platform. We listen for those subscribers in real time as they're in their inbox. When we see them reading their emails, we send a trigger to your ESP to instantly and automatically send out a triggered email at that exact time. We have found that if you can email them while they're actively in their inbox checking their emails, you're going to get a 50 to 70% open rate. Now your dead subscribers start to come back to life because of this timing strategy. Otherwise, you'd never know when to send to get such high engagement rates. These triggered emails get your dead email list re-engaged. This is a huge opportunity because everyone has a dead list, and we are hearing from clients who are getting 35% of their active list engaged again. These are leads you've already paid for. If you're interested in seeing and learning more, contact us below so we can answer your questions and show you how easy it is to get started.